Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create virtual desktops. Creating virtual desktop is a very easy process. All you have to do is press Windows Control and D and you will move down to the desktop 2. To see your virtual desktops, press Windows and Tab, and here you will see the desktop number 1 and desktop number 2. In number 1, as you can see, I have opened multiple windows. So desktop 2 is just I have created, and you will see there is no application open over there, while in desktop 1 a lot of applications are open. So you can also rename the virtual desktops by just right click and rename and enter. So as you can see, its name got changed, and if you want to add without commands, just simply press the plus icon and you will get the another one. To delete, just simply click on this cross. Once the all virtual desktop finish, you will get the main desktop, which is your desktop 1. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.